The 2016 GMC Terrain. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.